Welcome back to Cashegories, where we break down powerful strategies to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. This video is the third episode in our four-part series, Passive Income 101, where we explore ways to generate passive income without working 9 to 5 forever. Today, we're diving into real estate investing without owning property. You heard that right. You can make money in real estate without ever buying a house or apartment. We'll share actionable strategies, real-life success stories, and tips that can help you start generating income today. Let's get into it. Why real estate without ownership? Why invest in real estate without owning property? Here's why this approach is so exciting. Accessibility. It's way cheaper to get started. You don't need a massive down payment or perfect credit. Flexibility. You can invest in different markets without being tied down to one place. Passive income potential. These strategies can earn you money while you sleep, literally. Ready to see how it works? Let's break down 5 proven methods. Key real estate income strategies. REITs, real estate investment trusts. First up, we have REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These companies own and operate real estate, paying investors dividends from the income they generate. You can invest in REITs just like stocks. How REITs generate income. Dividends. REITs are legally required to pay 90% of their profits to investors. Stock appreciation. As property values rise, so can REIT stock prices. Types of REITs. Equity REITs. Own and manage real properties. Mortgage REITs. Invest in real estate loans. Hybrid REITs. A combination of both. Example. Imagine investing $5,000 into a commercial REIT that owns multiple office buildings. Over the next year, you earn an 8% annual dividend, meaning $400 in passive income, plus potential stock price appreciation. This income comes from rent paid by tenants of the properties. Pro tip. Use platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or your brokerage account to get started. Look for REITs with strong dividends and solid management. Success story expansion. Sarah, an investor from California, diversified her portfolio by allocating $20,000 into several REITs, including commercial properties, apartment complexes, and healthcare facilities. Over 5 years, she earned an average annual return of 10%, allowing her to reinvest and grow her portfolio. Airbnb Arbitrage. Next up, Airbnb Arbitrage. This strategy involves renting a property long-term from a landlord, then subletting it on Airbnb for short-term stays. You pocket the profit. How it works. Find a rental in a high-demand area. Get landlord permission to sublet. Furnish and list the property on Airbnb. Manage bookings and guest experiences. Best markets, tourist destinations like Miami, Las Vegas, and Orlando. Business hubs like New York City or San Francisco. Event-driven towns with festivals and conventions. Example. John and Maria leased a 2-bedroom apartment for $2,000 per month in downtown Miami. After furnishing it, they listed it on Airbnb, earning $5,500 monthly. That's $3,500 profit every month. Pro tip. Use tools like AirDNA to estimate Airbnb rental potential. Be sure to understand local regulations. Expanded example. In Austin, Texas, James built a 6-figure business using Airbnb Arbitrage. He leased 5 properties, spent $15,000 furnishing them, and generated $20,000 in monthly Airbnb income. After covering rent and operating costs, he cleared $9,000 in monthly profit. Real estate crowdfunding. Another great option is real estate crowdfunding. This allows you to invest small amounts of money into large real estate projects. How it works. Pool money with other investors. Earn from rental income or property appreciation. Benefits. Low entry costs, sometimes as low as $500. Professional management by real estate experts. Example. David invested $10,000 into a commercial real estate crowdfunding project. Over 3 years, he earned 8% annually, plus a 20% payout when the property sold. Pro tip, start with platforms like Fundrise or CrowdStreet. Be aware of long-term commitments. Expanded example. Emily started small by investing $1,000 in residential real estate crowdfunding projects. After seeing steady returns, she increased her investment to $50,000 across multiple projects, earning over $15,000 in passive income in 3 years. Real estate syndications. Ever dreamed of owning part of an apartment complex without the hassle? That's what real estate syndications offer. How they work. Sponsors find and manage properties. Investors like you fund the deal and earn passive income. Example. Lisa invested $25,000 into a real estate syndication for a luxury apartment complex. Over 5 years, she earned 10% annually and a large payout when the complex sold. Pro tip. Join real estate networking groups or platforms like BiggerPockets to find reputable syndications. Expanded example. When Sam partnered with a syndication group investing in a multi-family property, his $50,000 investment earned him a 12% annual return, plus a $30,000 payout when the property was sold, doubling his investment in 5 years. Wholesaling real estate. Last but not least, wholesaling real estate. Here you find distressed properties, secure them under contract, and sell that contract to a buyer for a profit without owning the property. How it works: find undervalued properties, negotiate a purchase contract, sell the contract to another buyer for a profit. Example: Mark, a college student, wholesaled his first property at age 21. He made $10,000 on a deal without spending a dime of his own money. Pro tip: build a strong network of buyers and learn negotiation tactics. Expanded example: Alex built a wholesaling business in Atlanta by leveraging distressed properties. In 1 year, he flipped 15 properties, earning $150,000 in assignment fees, all without ever buying a house. As you can see, there are so many ways to make money in real estate without owning property. From REITs to Airbnb Arbitrage, you can start generating passive income today. If you found this episode helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to learn these strategies. Stay tuned for the final episode in our Passive Income 101 series, where we'll unlock even more wealth-building secrets. See you next time on Cashegories.